Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw an Among Us ghost imposter, which really shouldn't exist, because the imposter gets jettisoned out, right? But you never see him as a ghost. It's going to be super easy and super simple, okay? And this is going to be I'm going to do this with a Crayola brand marker and also a really simplistic paper right here. This paper is literally the paper you pull from the printer. Very simple. And that is pretty much it. So if you're a beginner and you don't draw, this is perfect for you. You will be able to draw this, okay? You also don't even have to draw this. You can just kick it, hang out, watch it come to life. The other thing is, I'm going to keep all these below 8 minutes, so I want to keep it, only 8 minutes as much as I can. It's just to, everybody's busy, not too long. Other than that, please subscribe if you like that kind of stuff. If you like Among Us drawing lessons, if you like lessons on anything like animals, cute animals, The Simpsons, Friday Night Funkin', Pokemon, Among Us, Minecraft, any of that stuff. Hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. What the bell notification is going to supplies that I tend to use in my everyday life. I put that in the description, so go check that out. It's all like all right, we're gonna give this guy a backpack. I usually make the backpack halfway between here and here. About here and here. I'm gonna I might even float it around this area, then I move it back over here as well. That area. Might draw a little bit of some darkness here because it is. Alrighty. But yeah, hopefully you're having a fun time. It's good to kick it. If you do like this, like I said, hit the like button. Because when you hit the like button, it lets me know what it is to do on this channel, okay? Hit the like button. If you're here at this point, share the video. Share it anywhere. What you do is go to the bottom of the screen right there. You click there's a little share options. You can share it anywhere. Anywhere you share it, it's a huge, like, thank you to me. Like a gift. Like, thank you so much for making videos. It just helps the channel out as far as like the algorithm goes, and just kind of introduces me to a lot of new people, and I've met a lot of amazing people through this YouTube channel, so I would love to keep meeting more people. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Like I said, share it anywhere. It would be Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, Reddit. Any of those are appreciated, and you are amazing, okay? It only takes 2 seconds of your time. I had people tip me like actual money. I thought that's very generous. I appreciate it, but even more than that, sharing the video just really helps me out a lot. Thank you so much. Talk to you next time, Easies. My name is Enrique, and that is it. Talk to you later.